What's going on, guys? This is Black Scout Survival, and today we're going to be going over how to build a pressure paddle twitch up snare. And this is a trap system that I kind of put two different traps together to make this one. I like it. It's a lot easier to make it, and it uses less complicated components. But for this system, you're obviously going to need a few man-made items. You could, use it all off the land, but just for ease, and you probably have this stuff in your kit anyway. One, you're going to need a knife. You're going to need some snare wire or commercial snare, whatever. But if you don't know how to make the snare, go back and watch our video up here that shows how to make this snare. This is just a single strand 5-coil snare here. And you're also going to need some cordage. You can use paracord. I got bank line just because it's what I had in my pack at the moment. But I mean, you could also make natural cordage, and I have a video on how to do that as well. And you can pretty much do all this off the land if need be. With that, the first item you need to make is a toggle. And once we get to building the trap, I'm going to explain exactly where the pieces go. But I like to put a groove just in the middle here so I can tie my line to. Then you're going to need 2 forked sticks that's going to go on the ground, and what I like to do is shave points on them, so one they'll go on the ground, but I also feather up on the end of the stick there so it'll catch in the ground once it goes in the ground and not slip out easy. And then you're going to need just a few small sticks of the same length and thickness to make your paddle panel. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this. Okay guys, so you're going to take your 2 forked sticks and put them in the ground. You're going to need to tie your toggle to some kind of tree or branch or limb or something that's got some spring to it. And I've tied it with bank line, as you see. So I'm just doing this to measure my distance between the 2 forked sticks to make sure that I have it correct. And you see there my fork sticks are holding this toggle in place. You're then going to attach your snare. To the line. And you can just use a wrap motion and then wrap the wire back onto itself. It doesn't have to be complicated, just secure it to the wire and the line. Then you're going to place your toggle, your paddle sticks along the toggle. And you can probably see where this is going. Alright guys, so that was the pressure panel twitch up snare. Snaring or trapping is always, should only be used in a survival situation because of your state, local laws or whatnot. But it's a very effective trap. You can see here, this log is, tapered on the end, and the snare is still holding it. This is a dangle trap and very good in a survival situation. But hope this guy helps you out, you know, with your trapping. And like I said, we're going to be going over a lot of traps here in the near future. But check out blackscoutsurvival.com for more tips and tutorials. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.